Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear viewers. Today I'm just going to share with you the unboxing of my newly bought tripod. Here it is. It's a tripod 330A 3-way head, built-in level tech aluminium legs, quick lever lock, and these are some features: 515 mm and 1345 mm when it's totally opened, completely opened. तो ये tripod है, मैंने कहा आपके साथ इसकी unboxing share करूँ, so that if those of you are interested in buying anything like that, it would be quite useful for them. Let's open it. It's very useful gadget, no doubt, because अगर हमें movies वगैरह या pictures वगैरह लेनी होती हैं, if we have to capture some videos, then it's surely a beneficial thing to use. Earlier I had a little different tripod, so I thought to just purchase this one to give it a try, and it's very economical. ये काफ़ी economical है, it's not too expensive. Do let me know if you have bought it from somewhere, what is the price of it, because different people just sell it at different rates. So this is it. So here it is, you can see, and this also mobile device on it. So ये साथ ही इसके था, शामिल था, and let's check it out. This is to just a pulley sort of thing to pull it up like this. We can just increase the length or decrease the height of the tripod. So this is how it is, you can see. And then further we can enhance by opening these locks, and further it could increase in size. Just see this. So total height is quite impressive. So that is the total height of this new tripod. You can see it's quite heighted and long, and you can see the two different tripods and the difference between their heights. That is my older one. It was not as big as this new one, and I wanted to show you the difference. So this is the difference. So it's quite economical and a cheap tripod, not very expensive. It's quite good, economical, not very expensive, and it's very beneficial. बहुत फ़ायदा है बनाने में, इसका बड़ा helpful होता है roll. And here we can fix the this thing, and then the mobile, it could be fixed here. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to it quickly, and don't forget to share your views in the comments section, and do let me know about the prices at which you have bought this model. That is this one, tripod 330A. Maybe you have bought it at a more reasonable price. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.